When traveling, I want to be well equipped for any situation I might encounter. At the same time, my gear shouldn't be too heavy and must fit into a single backpack. And with these lens combinations, that's perfectly achievable. Of course, there's the classic setup, an ultra-wide angle lens such as the 17 to 28mm, paired with a 28 to 75mm standard zoom lens and a 70 to 180mm telephoto lens, all featuring a fast f2.8 aperture. However, we can achieve a similar focal range with fewer lenses. The 20 to 40mm and 35 to 150mm together cover nearly the same range with just 2 lenses, with some focal lengths even offering a wide open aperture of f2.0. Both setups can be perfectly complemented with the 150 to 500mm lens for wildlife photography. If you're into wildlife photography, you should also consider the 50 to 400mm or the lighter 50 to 300mm lens. These two lenses pair seamlessly with the new 17 to 50mm wide angle, or alternatively with a fast 20 to 40mm lens.